Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. I got mail. Just arrived, not even 5 minutes ago. All the way from Turkey. I've been waiting for this. It should have been here 2-3 weeks ago, by my calculations anyway. Always seems like when you're waiting for something, it takes forever. I guess the holiday rush didn't help any. What is it? What is it? What is it? I got 2 dogs helping me. Unboxing on then. Look at that! I got a kilo. I ordered a kilo. Turkish tea. That's a lot, huh? Oh, that's a lot of tea, man. 500 grams per bag, 2 bags. I'm not gonna run out this time. Not for a while. The dog keeps hitting the tripod. Hey, what's your ass, what? That's it. Woo, that smells nice. Okay, let's make tea. I'll put a link in the description to the blog post I did on, well, I did a review of this coffee press, or this French press, and I had the Turkish tea. It seems more people were interested in the tea than the French press. But there's in that blog post, there's links to where you can get this stuff if you're interested. Can you see this tree? Still loaded with starfruit, huh? It's amazing how many have gotten off of there this time. Wow, it's just crazy. I'm tired of eating them. I normally don't have milk with Turkish tea, but today I'm going to. Got a big enough spoon, that's for sure. Hello, Dick. How you doing, buddy? Crazy puppy. Just trying to figure out what was in that, originally in that Turkish box, but my Turkish is not as good as it used to be. Can't even read the picture. I don't know what it was. Something with gears on it. And yeah, I used to speak a little bit of Turkish, not much, but I worked there for 3 months. I think I was in Turkey, 3 months. Whoa, that's good. It needs more sugar. Turkey's a beautiful country. Absolutely beautiful. The job I was doing there really sucked, but the country is really nice. The people are amazing. We were just outside of Adana. That's close to the American Air Force Base there. They have an Air Force base in, what's it called, Incirlik, something like that. I have a t-shirt from there. Still have at least one t-shirt from there. Their Air Force Base. Really, everything there is just, you know, tourist trap for the American soldiers. But cool place. Like I said, awesome people. Whoa, whoa, look at this little bird. It's a little bird. There's black, yellow, and fluorescent green, teal color, kind of like a mallard duck. Just went in that tree. Tiny little thing like a hummingbird, long nose, long beak like a hummingbird. We do get some cool looking birds come through here sometimes. The migratory birds, the little ones. Some really cool looking stuff. They normally don't stick around long. But there's one I see all the time. I think it's called a honey eater or something like that. It's green. Really cool. Really cool looking one. And we have woodpeckers. I know it happens this time of year when it's, you know, I think they come from China or somewhere when it's cold. The woodpecker looks like Woody Woodpecker. Oh, he's back. Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, buddy. He did a circle. I got a good look at him. There's another one there. He's green. You know, you build it and they will come. I created a jungle and now it's full of little birds. Cool, huh? I've seen that one before too. Oh, you're eating. Don't. Oh, come on. He's eating my star fruit. Ah, gone. Well, you never know what you're going to see in the workshop. The workshop is full of birds. I was just, I don't know if you can see the wood, cutting wood over here. I threw a bunch of wood out of the goat pen yesterday, all the bigger stuff, and cutting it up for the mother-in-law. I got one garbage can full and probably another half of one there. It's all this, you know, soft wood. It's really good stuff for getting a fire started or getting quick heat. It burns fast and hot. Not this. This is mango. That's the end of my mango tree. But this stuff, the rabbits like a little bigger than that. Some actually, there was one tree that was huge. Oh, that's a good cup of tea. Finally got my Turkish tea back. And like I said, this time I ordered 2 bags so I don't run out so quick. Hard life, huh? Flatten right out. There's only 4 now. One died. There's another one inside. I put ice bottle in there for them every day, but they normally stay outside. Lady just come there to see the wife. It's the mother of one of the guys that's in jail here. I talked about him in one of the videos before about drugs. He was in working in Bangkok selling noodle soup and a little something extra on the side. And now he gets to do 8 or 10 years in jail. I can't remember what it was. Quite a while. I didn't even know they had a son. They have a daughter. I know her husband quite well. He's quite a funny guy. And the girl, I don't know, maybe she's not here, not around anymore. She might be finished school now. I haven't seen her in a long time, but that don't mean much. Very, very nice people. But they went through a lot when their son got arrested. Sold everything they could sell to raise money, all the money they could from anybody that would give them money, just to cover his lawyer fees. And don't include you got a huge fine plus quite a number of years in jail, and if you don't pay the fine, well, you'll get to convert that to years in jail again. There's no way they'll be able to get the money, I don't think, but not easy for a mother, that's for sure. I have an endless supply of chewed on wood now from rabbits. They love this stuff. And they're a lot less wasteful than the goats. Ooh, my fire's a little warm. Might be overkill out of fire today. Oh, that's good, man. I tell you what. It's the little things in life that make you happy, you know? And if it's not, you're doing something wrong, I think. You know? I can't remember what this tea costs. It's not much, like $10 a bag or something. You know how long that'll last, for how many cups of tea that is? And it's delicious. Oh, good stuff. Just simple things in life. Cool looking little birds that you've never seen before just come to hang out, you know? I need to fix this water tank. I've propped it up because the ground's not level. I propped it up on this side to level it. And as soon as we had the big crazy rainstorm that flooded everything, made the ground soft, and the wood that was underneath the tank that we leveled it up is gone. Can't even see it. Alright, it is, guys. Cup 2. I do think it's too hot to have a fire. How things have changed, huh? There we go. Nice cup of tea in the workshop. Alright, guys. Well, that's it. Thanks for joining me for a cup of tea in the workshop. Like I say, if you're interested in this tea, it's freaking delicious, I tell you what. I'll put the link to the blog post where you can get it in the description. I've been drinking this for a long time now. Years really, but I've been getting it sent to Thailand now for, I don't know, a year, more than a year, I guess. Alright, guys. As always, thanks for watching. You hear those ducks in there tapping on the wall? When they stop now, they know I'm talking about them. There we go. You'd think they'd get tired of that, wouldn't you? They've been doing it for years.